How to washing your wig. Step 1. Detangle. Detangle the wig with a dedicated detangled brush or a wide tooth comb. Brush your hair from the ends first, then you can brush from the hairline down. Step 2. Wet hair. Prepare warm water and stir the shampoo mixture into the water. You should use a high-quality shampoo suitable for type of wig you are using. Then, wet the wig and soak the entire hair in a mixture of shampoo and warm water. Drop your hair into the water and submerge it until the strands are submerged. Smooth down the direction of your hair to avoid tangling. Gently massage your hair to wash away all dirt. Use your fingers or a specialized comb to clean your hair. Especially for wig caps, you should put shampoo directly into the cap. Wash gently for cleaner results because this is where dirt and sweat stick the most. Step 3. Rinse off the shampoo. Rinse until the shampoo is gone. You can rinse the wig in a bucket of water or rinse it under the faucet in the sink or shower. Depending on the thickness of your wig, you may need to rinse it twice. Rinse until all the shampoo is gone and the water is clear. Step 4. Apply conditioner. Apply conditioner to spread the conditioner evenly into your hair. Wait 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off the conditioner with cold water. Step 5. Rinse thoroughly. After 10 to 15 minutes, rinse off the conditioner until the water runs clear. Step 6. Dry your hair. Gently squeeze your hair to let the water drain away. Step 7. Roll your hair in a towel. Put your hair in the towel, then gently move to absorb water into towel. Step 8. Drying. Put the wig on and use a hair dryer with the cool mode. Dry the wig cap first, then dry the hair, following the direction of hair growth. Finally, step 9. Create wig style. Use a curling iron or straightener to restyle your wig. End result. Now let's see the difference before and after the wig is washed.